I say. There's an empty place where your love filled my life, and I know there's a part of you that